Hi guys, welcome to Jinghua Education. This is Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about Math 12 Transformation Part 8. If you haven't done any other 7 parts, please do so. This is very important information. Okay, in this part, we're talking about reciprocal functions. What is reciprocal functions? Reciprocal function just make a normal function into denominator, and that's it. So we have a normal function here, y equal to fx. So we just make them into denominator, we just put a 1 on top, and that is reciprocal functions. In this question, we talk about how to draw y equal to 1 over x squared minus 4 functions. Okay, in the bottom part, x squared minus 4 is a parabola functions. Okay, it's quadratic functions, and then I assume you all know how to graph this one. If you don't know, please refer my grade 10 and grade 11's videos. I have detailed explanations about how to graph these kind of functions. Right now, I just assume you know how to graph it. Okay, so we got the x-intercept -2 and then x-intercept +2, and we're going to graph it -4 here, like that. Make them looks a little bit bigger, so easier to see later. Alright, so think about this. On the original function x squared minus 4, the x-intercept is whatever x to make y equal to 0. However, if the y equal to 0, the entire fx equal to 0, we have a denominator equal to 0 in from situations. This is not good. So the x-intercept is going to become our vertical asymptote. That means we got x equal to -2 and x equal to +2 is vertical asymptotes. What is vertical asymptotes? Vertical asymptote is the line you cannot touch. Your function cannot touch these things. If you function from left hand side, you either go up, you go down. You cannot go through it. Go through it is just wrong. Okay, so we have our vertical asymptotes. And then we need to find our invariant point here. What is invariant point? Invariant point is the point before and after transformations is never change. So one number after he's become reciprocal is not changing. 2 become 1 over 2. 3 become 1 over 3. 0.5 become 1 over 0.5. It's all changed. But only one number, it's not actually only one, it's only 2 numbers is not going to change. They are 1 and the -1. So 1 over 1 still 1. 1 over -1 still -1. So 1 and the -1 for y value is invariant point. So on this line here, we're going to have 2 invariant point here. And then on -1 here, we're going to have another, sorry about the drawing here, invariant point. So we're going to have 2 invariant point on these questions. We have vertical asymptotes, we have invariant point. Based on these 4 information is enough to draw the graph. Let's see how to draw it. Okay, I'm using a different colors to draw this graph. Let's using a green color. Okay, so pretty much drawing reciprocal function, just draw cross. What is cross? This is cross. Just draw like that. How to draw this? Let's see. We're going to cross this point. It's invariant point. It's never going to change. And we need to draw a cross with this red line here. So only way you can draw it is this way. Okay, so people asking why I cannot draw the other one. I cannot draw like that. This is not a cross. We need to draw a cross. On the same side, will be this. Draw a cross will be this part. Okay, I cross the invariant point. I'm not touching the vertical asymptotes. On this middle part here, I need to cross here, and then think about this. When x equal to 0, y equal to negative 4 is original function. Right now, I'm reflecting it, which is 1 over negative 4, which is somehow in here. So this graph is supposed to reflect to this part. So when we draw them, we cross this, we're not touching vertical asymptotes. We cross this, we're not touching vertical asymptotes. And that's it. The green line is our reciprocal functions. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any other questions. Leave the comment, I will answer your questions in my next video. Thank you.